Without them, we won't have this celebration. We are so lucky to live in a wonderful school district that allows us to learn about our culture and our language. Thank you for being flexible with us and letting us grow as young scholars.
We want to thank our Perryview Middle School custodians. Without their hard work and dedication, this cafeteria wouldn't be ready for us tonight. Thank you for taking the time to set up everything for us tonight, and we are very grateful for all the hard work tonight.
We want to thank USAC Perry Education Foundation for supporting our students in club. We're very fortunate to receive a grant for them to help learn and grow. With this grant, we want to be able to utilize it to buy more academic games to help our students become better and self-sufficient.
We want to thank our parents for the wonderful food tonight. Thanks Mom and Dad for feeding us. We also want to thank you all for driving back and forth to and from Hmong Heritage Club. Thank you for your dedication for making us see the importance of learning to speak and write Hmong and the value of keeping our culture alive for many years to come.
Tonight we'll have some entertainment before dinner. We'll watch a Hmong fashion show, sing a song, a guide performance. A guide is a traditional Hmong instrument. A short video of us and a speech by one of our parents as our appreciation. Our club students will serve you dinner tonight.
We also want to recognize some students who were not in our slideshow. They were with us for part of the year and we want to acknowledge. They are Langdon Lore, Grayson Lore, and Charm. The song that we are going to sing today is Nyajong Nyajong by Kong and Shupert Project. This song about this is